Greetings and welcome to Viva Las Vegas. I'm fresh off of my city-hopping tour across continental Europe. I arrived in Las Vegas last night, a little bit worse for the wear and a little bit of jet lag, to join in here at IBM Pulse 2010 and the conversation that's going to be taking place around building smarter systems for a smarter planet. You know, I used to run the Tivoli website for a time, and it's exciting to see, pardon the pun, what an instrumental role the Tivoli software is playing in IBM helping build a smarter planet through dynamic infrastructures. You know, Pulse 2010 promises unparalleled networking and educational opportunities for more than 5,000 attendees, including IBM clients, business partners, industry analysts, the news media, bloggers, and technical experts. The convergence of physical and digital assets means the planet is becoming more instrumented, more interconnected, and yes, even more intelligent. And though this introduces new challenges for today's infrastructures, it also provides an enormous business opportunity to integrate companies' operational assets with hardware, with software and services, and that's precisely what Pulse 2010 is all about. Over the next few days, industry thought leaders will demonstrate the short and the long-term success that you can achieve from implementing a dynamic infrastructure supported by a service management platform. There's going to be more than 300 IBM client speakers and over 100 IBM business partners sharing their own experiences and best practices, as well as hands-on instruction, product demos, and one-on-one meetings with technical experts and IBM executives. Some of those meetings are already taking place even as I speak. Now, a few housekeeping details to cover before I send you on your way. You can pick up your badges from 8 a.m. until 9 p.m. this evening at the MGM Grand Conference Center foyer. Hands-on labs start today and they run from 10:30 p.m. until 10:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. The IBM Business Partner Cafe starts at 6:30 p.m. this evening, as does the Global Tivoli User Community Networking Area, and of course, tonight's exciting Solution Expo welcome reception and ribbon cutting ceremony. The information desk is open from 12 noon until 8 p.m. and the Pulse bookstore from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And for me, probably the most important thing of all, internet access. You can tune in to the Wi-Fi network SSID IBM Conference, that's SSID IBM Conference, and enter the WEP40/64 code 0101010101. Yes, that's it, 5 times in a row, 0 and the number 1. And finally, don't forget tomorrow's grand opening general session, the keynote for which will be delivered by none other than former U.S. Vice President Al Gore. If there's anybody who can tell us more about building a smarter planet, it's the former Vice President. As for me, I'm off to take some pics of the great city of Las Vegas. Remember, what happens here in Vegas will find its way to the Turbo blog. This is Todd Turbo Watson, logging off.